The ocean hides some of the strangest and scariest animals on the planet. Among them is the black devilfish, a creature that looks like something out of a horror movie. Small but terrifying, this fish lives in a world of total darkness, where crushing pressure and extreme cold have made survival an unforgiving challenge. Today, we dive deep and explore the incredible world of the black devilfish, its hunting abilities, its bizarre habits, and the mysteries of its dark habitat. The black devilfish lives in the depths of the ocean, more precisely in the abyssal zone, between 200 and 2,000 meters deep. In this region, sunlight cannot penetrate, creating a dark and inhospitable environment. Temperatures can reach close to 0 degrees, and the pressure is so high it would crush any ordinary submarine. However, the black devilfish has evolved to withstand these extreme conditions and has become one of the most efficient predators in this dark world. The abyssal zone is home to some of the most bizarre creatures on the planet, such as the ogrefish, the deep-sea anglerfish, and the frightening viperfish. But few are as fascinating as the black devilfish. If you've ever seen an image of a fish with a mouth full of sharp teeth and a strange luminous filament on its head, it was probably a black devilfish. Its main features include large head disproportionate to the body, an adaptation to swallow prey larger than itself, mouth full of long, sharp teeth. It appears that they are sticking out, which makes it easier to capture prey. Dark, gelatinous body, ideal for camouflaging in the dark. Bioluminescent organ on the head, your biggest secret to capturing prey. The black devilfish is a stunning example of bioluminescence, a phenomenon in which certain organisms produce their own light. Its luminous filament on its head, called an esca, attracts prey directly to its mouth. This light is produced by special bacteria that live in symbiosis with the fish. The light can flash or shine continuously depending on the need to attract food. Hunting on the ocean floor is challenging. As there is no light and food is scarce, black devilfish need to be strategic. Its technique consists of standing still, waiting for smaller fish or crustaceans to approach the mysterious light that shines on its head. When prey approaches, it opens its gigantic mouth and sucks it in an extremely fast movement. Its curved teeth prevent the victim from escaping, and as its stomach is highly flexible, it can swallow prey that are almost the size of its own body. Furthermore, its metabolism is slow, allowing it to go long periods without eating, something essential for those who live where food is rare. One of the strangest aspects about the black devilfish is its reproduction. Unlike other fish, males are tiny, reaching just a few centimeters in length, while females can grow up to 20 centimeters. The male has a single function in life, to find a female. But in the deep ocean, where encounters are rare, this is no easy job. Once a male finds a female, he attaches himself to her body by biting her skin. Over time, the male's tissues fuse with the female's, and he becomes an extension of her body, living only to provide sperm. Some females can carry several males at the same time. This extreme adaptation ensures that, even in a hostile environment, the species continues to reproduce. Is the black devilfish one of the scariest fish in the ocean? Yes, its bizarre appearance and sharp teeth have made it one of the most feared creatures of the deep. Can it attack humans? No. The black devilfish lives at great depths, far below the reach of divers or swimmers. Furthermore, it is small and poses no threat to humans. Does he appear in movies and games? Yes, its appearance has inspired several creatures in horror films and video games. In the film Finding Nemo, the character Marlin and Dory encounter a fish very similar to him. Can it live out of water? Definitely not. As it is adapted to live under extremely high pressure, if it were removed from the depths, its body would not be able to resist. Does it glow in the dark? Not exactly. The black devilfish does not produce light throughout its body, only in the luminous filament that it uses to attract prey. Even though it is little known, the black devilfish plays a fundamental role in the deep ocean food chain. It helps control populations of smaller fish and crustaceans, maintaining ecosystem balance. Furthermore, Their ability to capture and consume different types of prey shows how interconnected and fragile life in the depths is. Studying creatures like the black devilfish helps us better understand the mysteries of the ocean and even develop new technologies, such as bioluminescence-based lighting systems. Even living in the depths, the black devilfish is not immune to threats caused by humans. Increased pollution, industrial fishing, and climate change can drastically affect marine ecosystems, putting species at risk before they are even fully studied. The oceans cover more than 70% of the planet's surface, but we still know very little about their depths. Protecting these environments means ensuring that incredible creatures like the black devilfish continue to exist. The black devilfish is one of the scariest and most intriguing creatures in the deep ocean. Its intimidating appearance, its hunting skills, and its bizarre way of reproduction make it a true enigma of nature. Studying animals like this helps us better understand life in one of the most extreme environments on the planet and reminds us that there is still much to discover about the underwater world. If you liked this content, share it and help spread knowledge about the incredible creatures of the deep ocean.